already spiked out. I can trip a referee. Tell by my attitude that I'm most definitely from.